Are you looking for the best budget drones? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best budget drones. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Ryze Mini 3 lightweight mini drone. The Ryze Mini 3, a more budget-friendly iteration of the Mini 3 Pro, emerges as an enticing option for drone enthusiasts seeking a balance between performance and affordability. Valued at $559, this drone maintains several key features while making strategic omissions to achieve a more palatable cost. The sacrifice of collision sensors and subject tracking may be a drawback for some users, but the Mini 3 compensates by retaining the ability to capture cinematic quick shots and integrating a camera capable of rotating for both portrait and landscape modes. Comparing its design to the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3 showcases a strikingly similar appearance, with the main distinction lying in the absence of collision sensing cameras replaced by vents. The primary camera gimbal, housing a 48-megapixel 4-in-1 sensor, provides impressive stills with crisp detail even in low light. The Mini 3 offers the flexibility of shooting in RAW format, appealing to serious enthusiasts seeking greater depth in their aerial photography. Despite a $110 increase in price compared to its predecessor, the Mini 2, the Mini 3 justifies the bump with enhanced performance and features. It excels in the realm of video, capturing 4K footage at 30 FPS and introducing a digital zoom feature that extends to 4x in full HD mode. However, users may notice some noise in lower light conditions and occasional autofocus challenges during takeoff and hovering. The Mini 3's software features, while not as extensive as Ryze's higher-end models, still offer notable functionalities. Panorama functions allow users to capture wide-angle views effortlessly, and quick shots deliver dramatic shots centered on the subject. The drone's ability to create 360-degree panoramas adds an extra dimension to its appeal, with Ryze including a viewer for these immersive images. The choice of controllers, including the Ryze N1 or Ryze, caters to various user preferences, providing options for those who prefer a smartphone monitor or a built-in screen. The inclusion of Ryze O2 radio system ensures compatibility with the latest controllers. Up next in the 4th place is the Potensic Atom C drones. The Potensic Atom C emerges as an ideal beginner drone, offering impressive features that compete with leading models in the market, notably the Ryze Mini 2C. Priced at a modest $219.99, this drone provides an excellent bundle that includes 2 batteries, a carry case, and various accessories. However, its key distinction lies in the camera's reliance on electronic image stabilization eyes instead of a 3-axis gimbal, a compromise Potensic makes to keep costs down. Despite the absence of a gimbal, the Potensic Atom C showcases noteworthy specifications and features. It records 4K video at 30 FPS, boasts GPS return-to-home functionality, and supports waypoint and orbit modes. The drone's ultralight folding design allows for easy maneuverability, and it operates with real radio control linked to a phone via cable, avoiding low-distance Wi-Fi limitations. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes and a range of 4 km, the Atom C competes favorably with top contenders. The drone's build and handling reflect a design reminiscent of the Ryze Mini 2, featuring a folding design with raised front legs. The packaging is commended for its high-quality presentation, and the drone itself feels light yet durable, with confidence-inspiring hinges and a well-designed battery bay and memory card slots. The controller is user-friendly, accommodating phones of various sizes, and includes storage recesses for control sticks. In terms of performance, the Potensic Atom C excels in electronic image stabilization eyes, aptly named Shake Vanish, which proves effective even in gusty and windy conditions. The drone's video stability, while not matching a gimbal, is commendable, and the absence of a gimbal is compensated by its overall video quality, sharpness, contrast, and depth. The drone's final verdict positions it as a surprisingly impressive product, suitable for both ambitious operators seeking high-end features and individuals looking for a beginner-friendly drone with a comprehensive bundle. While photographic enthusiasts accustomed to 3-axis gimbals may find fault, the Potensic Atom C presents a compelling option for those seeking a cost-effective yet feature-rich drone, outperforming some competitors in the beginner drone category. The third product on our list is the Ryze Mini 2C lightweight mini drone. The Mini 2C is a budget drone. If you disagree, remember Ryze also supplies high-end broadcast equipment. This is orders of magnitude cheaper than, say, the Mavic 3 Pro Sin, but the features available on the Mini 2C are not that different. A 3-axis stabilized gimbal produces smooth, rich cinematic-looking 27K video and a top-notch radio remote controller which links to your phone via cable, so there is no delay latency and feedback. The original Ryze Mini C was purposefully designed to offer a cheap Ryze drone. It took the features of Ryze's earliest ultralight and gave it a new low price. The newer Mini 2C helpfully updated the radio controller, so there is little chance of control dropping out. The drone sports GPS for automatic hover and return to home, and some social-friendly, quick-shot modes where the drone and camera do the work for you, as well as a landing sensor so it can touch down gently. It's also just under the registration weight for those who hate paperwork. We love that Ryze is always thinking like photographers, adding functions like RAW and exposure bracketing, as well as taking advantage of the aerial location with assorted panoramas. Second on our list is the Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone Quadcopter UAV for kids beginners. The Ryze Tello is a drone that strikes a balance between an entry-level toy and a lightweight photography drone. Equipped with Ryze technology, it offers impressive stunts, budget-friendly pricing for professional features, and propeller guards for safety. The drone's versatility is enhanced by its compatibility with various free and inexpensive apps, making it a successful STEM tool for kids interested in programming and flying drones. In terms of build quality, the Tello surprises with its compact design, propeller guards, and durable construction. The 5-megapixel camera, although fixed and unable to tilt physically, delivers satisfactory indoor and outdoor stills. The video quality remains surprisingly high, especially with the digital image stabilization compensating for the lack of a gimbal. However, video susceptibility to interference due to live transmission and the absence of onboard image storage are notable drawbacks. The Tello provides an enjoyable flying experience with easy-to-use controls and an option for physical controls using a Bluetooth remote controller. The app-based control system ensures user-friendly operation and includes features like throw-and-go launch. The drone's brushed motors, though smaller, showcase rapid speed switches required for acrobatic movements and flips. One standout feature is the Tello's compatibility with third-party apps, expanding its functionality. The integration with Scratch, a kid-friendly programming tool, adds educational value to the drone. Despite some hurdles in installing Scratch and its dependencies, the drag-and-drop programming functionality offers an engaging STEM experience. Finally, the top product on our list is the Holystone GPS drone with 4K camera. The Holystone HS175D is positioned in the ultralight drone category, weighing 217 g and offering a cost-effective entry point below competitors. Despite its lightweight, Holystone provides a comprehensive package, including a high-quality padded case, 2 batteries, 2 chargers, a remote controller, spare propeller blades, a screwdriver, and a manual. Geared toward users aged 14 and above, the drone's design incorporates features common in folding drones, and its construction allows for flexible arm opening and closing. The drone's LED lighting, visual positioning sensor, and GPS contribute to its overall functionality. The controller, while somewhat flimsy, accommodates various phone sizes, relying on Wi-Fi for connection rather than a cable. The drone undergoes a pre-flight calibration process with a hover capability using GPS, although some drift issues were noted during testing. The range of Wi-Fi is limited, posing a potential risk beyond 100 m. The HS175D's camera lacks a true gimbal, relying on software stabilization and featuring a motorized mount for remote tilting. Image quality, especially in stills, demonstrates visible compression artifacts, and the video resolution falls short of the claimed 4K output. The user experience is described as uneven, with some rough edges in translation and app functionality. Despite the drawbacks, the app works reasonably well once calibrated, providing features such as circle, follow me, and waypoints. However, some issues were noted, such as map tile loading on the iOS version and inconsistent on-screen feedback during photo capture. The drone's claim of 4K video capabilities is a notable disappointment, leading to a cautious verdict, especially due to trust concerns stemming from promotional claims. While the HS175D offers a well-specified toy with GPS capabilities and a decent battery life, potential users are advised to consider alternatives, such as the Jai Mini C, for a more reliable and feature-rich experience. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.